All right, once our ground beef is cooked and you've drained most of the grease, you're gonna grab some taco seasoning and you are gonna heavily season the ground beef with taco seasoning. You can use the mild, hot, medium taco seasoning, whatever you like, whatever brand. Just make sure to get it evenly distributed onto our meat. Give this a nice quick mix so that everything gets coated in that taco seasoning. Ooh, this is smelling delicious. I like to leave just a little bit of that grease in there so that it has something to attach that taco seasoning to the meat. Okay, once that is nice and tossed in our meat, we are gonna go ahead and add 2 cups of water right into our pot, just like so. I have 1 can of no salt added diced tomatoes. You can use whatever tomatoes you like. I know they have like a cilantro tomatoes. You can even use Rotel if you'd like, but I just like that this one is no salt added. Give this a quick little mix. Ooh, and you guys might think it's a little weird that I added the water, but you will see what we're making and you will love it. It's an all-in-one pot dish. It's so good. All right, now I'm gonna add some green chilies. I'm gonna pop them right in there with everything. I'll probably turn up this heat just a little bit to a medium heat. Give that another good mix so that the tomatoes, the green chilies, and everything is evenly distributed. Okay, now for the main event, we have our rice. I like to use the minute rice because it's already washed, but you can use whatever rice you like. And we are gonna add 2 cups of rice to our pot. Oh yes, give that a nice good stir. So you wanna add as much rice as you did water, and that is why we added the water, to cook the rice. Okay, give this a nice quick stir. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more taco seasoning because I want it to be super potent, make it super flavorful, right?
Yeah, definitely. Taco seasoning does good with that.
Okay, once we get this well mixed, it is time to cover it up. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the lid and we're gonna let this sit until that rice is cooked. All right, this is ready. Ooh,
it smells delicious.
Smells amazing. Let's give it a nice quick mix. Oh, see, there's no liquid yet. Or no liquid left. That's how you know it is ready. Okay, we're gonna flatten this out because we have something we're gonna add to this super quick. I already turned off my stove. We're gonna add our Mexican cheese, and this is just gonna melt right on top because it's still hot. We are gonna go heavy-handed with that. Make sure you get cheese all over the dish. Oh, this is gonna be so delicious. All the great flavors. Okay, we're gonna put that lid back on and let that cheese melt. The steam will just melt it. All right, it's been a couple minutes. That cheese is melted.
Oh, that was fast.
Yeah, it was super hot, so. All right, and I'm gonna bring in my plate and I have some tortillas. We are gonna serve our rice and meat in a tortilla, just like so. Look how cheesy and delicious this looks. Beautiful. While we were waiting for this to melt, I was thinking about how this reminds me of the insides that go in a stuffed bell pepper. Gotta love it.